Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up for Ibotta. If you don't have an Ibotta account, we will put our affiliate link on the description below for you to sign up and get 100% cashback on pizza, chips, and more. So once you clicked on our affiliate link, it will take you to this page from which you could set up your account. All you have to do now is enter your first name, a valid email address, a password you wish to use, your birth date, and the zip code. Then on the referral code field, our referral code will be automatically put in once you click on our affiliate link. So after entering all the necessary information, click on the Create Account button. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Ibotta. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.